So you think buying spot means you own it? Maybe you do, and maybe you don't. Buy a stock through a regulated broker, you own the share. Legally it's yours. You have the rights. Back in the day you get a physical certificate proving you own it. That's gone now, it's mostly digital. But the legal structure behind it didn't change. And if that broker goes under, your assets are still protected. Now buy that same stock on some random exchange or buy crypto on a platform that holds it for you. You don't own the asset, you just own a claim. And there's a big difference. Remember, FTX had millions of users who thought they owned crypto, and when it collapsed, they were creditors, not owners. They got in line with everyone else. So before you even think about futures, get clear what spot actually means to you. Spot is simple in theory. You buy the asset, you hold the asset, and you sell the asset. There's no expiry, no leverage by default. What you see is what you get. But futures is a different game. You never own the underlying asset. You own the contract or a position. You're trading on where the price goes, not on the asset itself. And that opens up something spot can't give you. You can go short. You can profit when the price drops. You can use leverage to size up beyond your capital. That's also where platforms like BTCC comes in, one of the oldest future exchanges in the space. If you're going to trade futures, use my link below and get 10% in trading volume right from the start. Now here is where it gets interesting for everyone thinking longer term. The line between crypto markets and traditional markets is already blurring. We have tokenized stocks, we have crypto ETFs, traditional exchanges adding 24/7 crypto products. The infrastructure is merging. What you're learning right now, spot mechanics, future mechanics, what ownership actually means, that's not just crypto knowledge, that's market knowledge. And it's going to matter in every market on every platform for the next decade or so. So spot or futures, crypto or TradFi, the rules are the same. Learn them once, use them everywhere. No financial advice, do your own research, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.